Hello there, future teacher, and welcome to this phonics and sight words Rica Test prep lesson, here to help you get completely prepared to ace your upcoming subtest 1 of your Rica exam. In this video, we're going to scroll past our video study guide, and we're going to go straight to this checkpoint quiz that's all about phonics and sight words. Now, when preparing for your Rica test, make sure regarding phonics and sight words that you understand high frequency words, irregular spelling, morphological clues, and context clues in differentiation and effective instructional strategies in order to assess and help all students in the classroom. So here we go. We are going to go and complete this quiz together. Now, before I click the start button, make sure that if you need to make sure that you pass your Rica test, you want to make passing simple, and you want everything given to you in one place, just go to ricatest.com or click the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and start this quiz. We have a total of 10 questions. I'll zoom in so that we can see it a little bit better. I'll read the question to you. You select answer option A through D, and then we will talk about the correct response together. Question 1 reads, what is the primary role of phonics in word identification? Take a moment here to read answer options A, B, C, or D. Select the most appropriate response, and then we will go over it together. All right, primary role in phonics word identification. Remember that phonics helps children learn the correct pronunciation of words by associating sounds with symbols. So here we're going to go ahead and select answer option A to assist the pronunciation of words. Moving on to question number 2. This one reads, which type of words are taught as sight words due to their high frequency and irregular spelling? What are those called? Again, pause the video if need be. Read answer options A through D. Select the best one, and we'll talk about it together. All right, high-frequency words that appear often in texts and may have irregular spellings are typically taught as sight words, so we're going to go ahead and select answer option C. Words that frequently appear in text, and these are going to be really important to make sure our young learners understand how to read these, because they are often used in the words that they need to read in their books and the ones that they want to write in their journals. Moving on to question number 3, this one reads, what does morphological analysis in word identification involve? Take a moment here, pause the video if need be, and select the most appropriate response. We still have 8 minutes, plenty of time. All right, so this question here, remember, morphological analysis involves using knowledge of root words, prefixes, and suffixes to decode unknown words. So we're going to go ahead and select answer option B. Is that what you got too? This one reads, examining root words and affixes. Remember, an affix is either a prefix at the front or a suffix in the back. All right, moving on to question number 4. This reads, how do context clues facilitate word identification? Here we go. Remember, context clues help our students identify and understand the meaning of unknown words by using the surrounding text. That's why we can teach our young learners, our students, to look above, below, to the left, and to the right of a word. And so we're going to go ahead and select answer option D, utilizing the surrounding text to infer meaning. Moving on to question number 5. This one reads, what is the significance of automaticity in reading? This is a major keyword in not only reading instruction, but passing your Rica exam. Take a moment here to read the answer options, select the best one, and then we'll talk about it. Automaticity in word identification leads to fluent reading. That's why it's so important. And this allows our students to read smoothly and understand the text better, improving their comprehension. For that reason, we're going to select answer option C. It supports fluency and comprehension in reading. Here we go. Moving on to question 6. This one reads, which approach involves teaching children to recognize words as whole units? If you are getting value from this video, if you appreciate what we're doing here at ricatest.com, make sure that you click the thumbs up button and subscribe for all the Rica Test content that's going to help you pass. All right, take a moment here to read the answer options, and then together we'll identify the correct solution. All right, so we are talking about how to teach children to recognize words as whole units. All right, make sure that when taking your Rica test, you are looking for these key terms that you can pick out in order to match with the correct answer option, whether that's A, B, C, or D. For question number 6, we can recall that sight word instruction teaches children to recognize words as whole units. That's what sight word instruction is all about. And so for that reason, we're going to go ahead and select answer option B, whole word recognition. Great job on this so far. Moving on to question number 7, what is the role of consonant consonant digraphs in phonics? Take a look at answer options A, B, C, and D. Which one is most appropriate here? Remember that consonant digraphs are 2-letter combinations that represent a single sound. And this is going to be really important for our students to continue to level up in their phonics instruction. For question number 7, we're going to go ahead and select answer option A. They represent a single sound from 2 different letters. Moving to question 8, this reads, why are R-controlled vowels significant in phonics? Again, take a moment here, select the correct response, and we'll talk about it. So in case it's been a while, remember that R-controlled vowels affect the pronunciation of the vowel sounds that they follow. And this, of course, is an important step in accurate decoding. Remember, decoding is a key term for your Rica test. Decoding means reading. Encoding means writing. All right, so for question number 8, we're going to go ahead and select answer option C. They modify the sounds of the following vowels, teaching us how to pronounce the word. Moving on to question number 9, this one reads, what is the purpose of using vowel digraphs in phonics? Take a look at answer options A, B, C, and D. All right, talking all about vowel digraphs. Remember, those are 2 vowels combined to represent 1 sound. And this helps our students when they start to read more complex vowel sound identification, words, sentences, paragraphs, and stories. And so for this reason, we are going to select answer option D to combine 2 vowels into a single sound. Moving to question number 10, our last one for this phonics and sight word terminology and concepts quiz. Question 10 reads, which strategy is used to teach words with common phonetic irregularities? Take a look at the answer options. Still have plenty of time. No rush at all. All right, so we're talking about strategies used to teach words with common phonetic irregularities. Is it A, B, C, or D? So words with common phonetic irregularities are often taught as single words to facilitate easier recognition without decoding. And that, my colleagues, future teachers, is how we introduce sight words. It's the introduction of sight words. And so let's go ahead and click the submit button. Hopefully we got all of these right. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice. We got 10 out of 10. All right, so I really like these quizzes. They just clearly present what you understand and what types of information regarding the chapter that you're on. In this case, we are on the Phonics and Sight Words chapter. Make sure that you are going back to check out the quizzes that I've made in the past, as well as the ones that I'm going to be making here coming up. All right, hope you found this helpful. We are here to help you prepare for and pass your upcoming Rica test. So whether you still need to pass subtest 1, 2, or 3, or just all of them, make sure to click the link in the description below or just visit us at ricatest.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.